Hey guys, Blizzard581 here, and I'm here making this vlog just for you to say, just for me to say actually, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. That's why I'm doing this for you. Let's just watch this happen. Don't worry about that. But yeah, Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you guys have a Happy New Year. My voice is kind of messed, but you get it right. So yeah, just because it's been like that for a little bit, but you haven't really heard it in my videos because it just like came to me today. Must be swept out or something. But yeah, I would just like to wish you guys all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and this is what I'm doing for you. It says Merry Christmas, so I'm just doing this way. Didn't work out as planned. Oh crap, oh god. Wow. Whew. Hey look, there's some coal. Better get straight to that mining. But yeah, that was my Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you guys have a good Merry Christmas. Tell me in the comments what you got. I'll tell you also in the comments what I got. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys later. Have a Merry Christmas again and a Happy New Year. And I will see you guys later when I post another video, probably not for a couple of days, or I'll see. But I might be doing a stream of 10 Hunger Games today, so if you can catch one of those, that'd be pretty good. And I guess I will see you later, guys. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care.